So I've just been working on the very latest generation Range Rover autobiography here at TTW for our signature Pro Blackvue dash camera installation. This is what we pride ourselves on TTW in the way that we can install in these, and I'll just go through a few things with you. So on these particular ones we mount the rear camera here at the bottom, because on these particular ones we can't actually get through on these. We can on the sport versions. So your rear camera is nicely fitted there, and just under here we've got the battery pack fitted, which is underneath the hidden compartment, which is there. All goes back nicely, and then obviously we can the tailgate, and then I will just show you around at the front. So in here we've got obviously the LTE 970X, and then we've just got a little bit of cable which is just hidden up into the binnacle area there. So that gives you an idea of what it looks like in terms of inside. And I'll just show you again in terms of obviously what it looks like. We also add our exclusive CPL filter to there. So if you've got a Range Rover autobiography and you would like the latest generation of Blackvue dash cameras installing the correct way, then please give us a call here at TTW Installations.